Welcome everyone, this is Sheshe. I'm coming on to share with you some projects from the DIY art bin. They graciously sent me some dies to share with you. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will subscribe and I hope you stay. So I have this bunny set and it's a peeping bunny. I will share with you the card I designed. It says, "Some bunny loves you." This bunny can be used to peep out of a basket or over a wall or whatever you would like. The possibilities are endless. So as you can see, these little glasses here on the bunny, there's like a lens that these little carrots are reflecting, that he's looking at, that he's wanting, or like his mouth is watering, hoping to get those carrots. So you can use the carrots or not, and the pieces do come with that. So how adorable is that? So the glasses, the grass, the little carrots, and the little nose and little paws all come with this set, so that you can make this adorable bunny. So again, this is my inspiration for you guys. So cute. Okay, next up I have for a hairstylist, or you can give this to your girlfriends, girlfriend spa day. This is what I have for you guys. It's a set. It comes with the little chair and two different girls. They have two different hairstyles. It has the little bubbles and the little foot spa that you can make, and then these little pieces right here is to outline the little robes. So you put these pieces on top of the robe and you can make different colors, and then this is the little topper, and this is the little topper for the little foot spa. So the bow does not come with it. I got this bow from another set, but I just thought they needed a bow for the head piece. So these are my little girls, and this is a cute card for maybe a gift card or something, if you wanted to give a spa gift card. But yeah, I like the head wraps, and maybe you can give this also to your hairstylist too, and just get rid of the little foot spas. So it could be either or, if you want to make this, you know, for your hairstylist, or maybe give this to your girlfriend for a day at the spa gift card. So just some ideas there. Nice scene. I tried to recreate for a spa, whatever that would look like. Next is this Nautical Girl. I don't have too many nautical theme dies, but I tried to create this adorable girl just like on the website, and this is how she turned out with her little rosy cheeks. So I just thought she was so adorable, and then I just put this sentiment, "Ahoy." So really cute there, and these are all the pieces that she comes with. All right. And then next is this cute little gingerbread man. I just really love the gingerbread man on the website. They have so many different characters and different things they're doing, but I believe he's peeping out of some cake, and it just says "Baked with Love." And I gave him some little rosy cheeks too. And these are all the pieces that it comes with. It even comes with the words "Baked with Love" to put on the cake. So that's how he turned out. So adorable. Next is this family of bunnies. And this comes with a lot of pieces, and I tried my best to recreate the scene on the website and how it looks with the family of bunnies. And the sentiment is "Hop." And these are all the little pieces to make it as detailed as you like. The flower, it's just a flat flower when it comes out, so I just tried to draw in and make it a little bit more detailed on the bunny. But yeah, I just colored it and tried to draw in a little, I guess this is a little branch or something on the egg, and it does come with the little zigzag or whatever piece to put on the egg. But yeah, you have to do a lot of coloring and stuff to recreate how it looks on the website. But it does come out adorable once you color it in and everything. Next is this little penguin, and this is how she looks, very adorable. And unfortunately, there is no oval piece for the cookie jar, so you'll need to cut it out a couple of times if you want to get that oval piece to pop on the cookie jar. I cut it out in white and black, and then I just fussy cut it out along the embossed lines so that I can get it to layer in white and black. And then it does have the cookie die for the words. But she is adorable, and then she has a little gingerbread cookie to eat. So that's how that turned out. And same thing with the, I guess, the pieces that go in the cookie jar. I had to cut that out several times to get it in a two-tone look. But it does look really cute. And it just comes with the little eyes to outline it. You'll need to, you know, either have a gel pen to get the white marks, or if you have other dyes that'll recreate that, it's all up to you to come up with the rest of the pieces for the eyeballs. But it only comes with the black piece of the eye. Next are the snowman in a cup. And I used them both on one card, so just to give you an idea what they look like. These are all the pieces. It comes with several pieces to give you an idea of what it looks like. One has marshmallows and a heart, and then actual saucer piece for the cup. And then this one doesn't come with the saucer, but it has snowflakes, and it has layers for the hat, and a little poofy piece or pom-pom for the hat. And this one has like a little, I believe it is, I'm not quite sure, but it has a bow, and this may be a jingle bell. So this is how it looks for each snowman, just to give you an idea of what they look like when they're all put together. So that is my share for the DIY art bin. And if I haven't said so, if you would like to purchase anything that I've shared today, I have linked all the characters in the description box below, so it'll take you directly to each character to purchase. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed what I've shared and it has inspired you. So take care, everyone, and have a fabulous day.